Effects on fast and slow twitch muscle fibres. There are two types of muscle fibres: slow twitch muscle fibres, also known as red fibres, and fast twitch muscle fibres, also known as white fibres. While most people have approximately even numbers of red and white fibres, some individuals genetically have higher proportions of one type or another. This is significant when assessing the effects of training, because different fibres will respond to different types of stimulus or training. The most significant physiological adaptation to muscle fibres occurs when they are subjected to training programs specific to their role. While all muscles will shorten and lengthen during movement, the bulk of the work is performed by muscles most suited to the specific type of activity. Fast muscle fibres benefit most from anaerobic training, such as sprints, short intervals, and resistance training, whereas slow twitch muscle fibres benefit most from endurance type activities that engage the aerobic system. We'll talk firstly about the slow twitch muscle fibres. These fibres contract slowly and release energy gradually as required by the body during sustained activities such as jogging, cycling, and endurance swimming. These fibres are efficient in using oxygen to generate fuel, or ATP, making them resistant to fatigue but unable to produce the power of fast-twitch muscle fibres. When the body is engaged in endurance-type activity, slow-twitch fibres are preferentially recruited for the movement because they are more efficient in meeting the immediate metabolic demands of the working muscles. Aerobic training causes the following adaptations to occur to the slow twitch muscle fibres. Hypertrophy. Endurance activity, such as jogging, recruits slow twitch fibres, which can experience some growth. Capillary supply. Aerobic training causes an increase of capillaries around muscle fibres. This improves the efficiency of the muscle by improving gaseous exchange together with the movement of nutrients and waste between blood and fibres. So this means that it allows gas exchange, oxygen and carbon dioxide to occur. Just like in the lungs, it also occurs in the muscles. Mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the energy factories of cells, and these are the powerhouses where ATP is manufactured. Aerobic training results in an increase in the number of mitochondria, as well as increasing their size and efficiency to utilize oxygen to produce ATP. Therefore, they're more efficient in producing energy. Myoglobin content. Myoglobin is very important in the functioning of muscle action. It is responsible for transporting oxygen from the cell membrane to mitochondria and storing it for use when necessary. Endurance training significantly increases myoglobin content, and in some cases by up to 80%. And oxidative enzymes. The level of activity of oxidative enzymes increases, making the production of energy more efficient. These are all the adaptations that occur to slow twitch muscle fibres during aerobic training. Now on to the fast twitch muscle fibres. These fibres contract quickly but also fatigue rapidly, a feature of anaerobic metabolism used to supply their energy needs. The body preferentially recruits fast-twitch muscle fibers to perform explosive-type activities such as weightlifting, javelin throwing, and sprinting. Fast-twitch fibers have a high anaerobic capacity because they are able to contract quickly and ultimately release energy rapidly. Anaerobic training causes the following adaptations in fast-twitch fibers: ATP-PC supply. Fuel supply and the efficiency with which fuel is used increases. Glycogen enzymes. These also increase, improving the functioning within the cells. Hypertrophy. This has the potential to be considerable and depends on the type of training frequency and intensity. And lactic acid tolerance. Training increases the ability of fast twitch fibers to tolerate lactic acid, allowing anaerobic performance to be sustained for longer periods of time. So these are the adaptations that would occur to fast twitch fibers when using an anaerobic training program.